guys, today I'm filming my next update for my sample project pan series. It has again only been 2.5 weeks since my last update, so I only have a few empties, although I am so proud of myself for catching up on my videos a little bit. I still have some to go, but that's amazing. So I don't know how much time it will be between now and my next update, so we'll have to see about that. But I only finished 3 things. I am super close on a few more products, but I'm happy with what I finished. The first thing was my Bar Detox Dry Shampoo. This is my absolute favorite, and as you guys know, earlier this year, the end of last year, I had been giving all of the other like random dry shampoos to my sister, and now I wish I kind of held on to some of them because I don't want to waste my good expensive dry shampoo just when I'm filming. But I love this. Incredible, leaves a white cast, but it blends out, soaks up the oil really well, has a wonderful scent. I will continue to repurchase that. And then I did use up the Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb Mini. I only had about half of this left at my last update. You guys know this is my Holy Grail daytime moisturizer. I already have 2 full sizes, so I won't need to purchase that for a while, but I totally would. And then I did use up my GlamGlow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating Treatment. I did just have like 2 more applications in here. This is so intense. Like I think that this would not be good for anybody that has a skin type other than very tough, very oily, acne prone skin. If your skin is sensitive in any capacity or dry in any way, this is gonna F you up. I've never really heard people say that this was intense, but like it really is. I think the one that's in the white packaging is much more gentle, and that could work for a lot of people, but not this one, honest to goodness. So I'm glad it's used up. I will still continue to use it up, you know, if I get any more minis, but it's not something that I would repurchase. I don't buy masks in general, but this one is just a little too intense. So now for hair products. I wanted to have a little conversation with you because I know so many of you guys are so much more knowledgeable about hair care, skincare, and recently my hair has been so greasy and I don't know what it is. I bought a new hairbrush, which I think may have helped a little bit. I only put conditioner from my ears down. I only use my leave-in spray ears down, but I do wash my hair at night. I don't know if I need a special pillowcase or I need to start having my hair wrapped up at night. I have no idea what it is, but it makes me really sad. I don't want my hair to feel gross when I just washed it. So because of that, one day this week, I did decide to use one of my scalp scrubs. Just, I don't know, to try to get something different to go on. So the one that I'm using is from Way. It is their scalp and body scrub. Only used it once so far. I can probably get 4 more uses out of it. I really don't like the way that Way products smell, but it's not awful. I can get through it. It almost smells like a cleaning product. Then we've got my liter size. Of course, this isn't working for me, and I got a liter size of the Bosley Nourishing shampoo for color treated hair. And the thing is, I had so many foil samples of this and I loved it, which is why I bought this liter size. And the progress is super slow going. It was right there at the last update. Now I'm down here, but again, this altogether is like 5 weeks worth of progress. So I'm gonna have this for a long time, and I'm just really hoping that when I finally get to use the conditioner with it, it might make a difference. I don't know though. My conditioner, L'Oreal Everpure Blonde. I don't like this. I decluttered the other one I had, but this should be done in 1 to 2 more months, depending on when my next update is. So we were right there 2.5 weeks ago. Now I'm down here, so we'll see. I cannot wait for that to be done. And then my leave-in, the Pureology Color Fanatic, and we were right there last time. Now I'm down here, so I did use up a little bit more than I did previously. I'll be working on this for a while. Not my favorite anymore either, but basically because of the scent, I need something like this, and I'm not putting it in my roots. So I don't know what the culprit is. If you have an idea, let me know, or just some other things that I need to do to like detox my hair, cleanse my hair. I don't know what's going on. I need your help. Then for skincare, this is one of the things that will absolutely be finished by next update, which I'm so excited about. The IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Makeup 3-in-1 Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm with vitamin C and rosehip oil. I told you guys I don't like this. And you can see there's like, it doesn't go as deep as the packaging makes it look. And I'd say I have less than 5 more uses left. So 1 tonight and then, you know, up to 4 more days after today. I can't wait to have this used up. I've never been through a cleansing balm so quickly, but I have 3 others from different brands in my collection, and I'm glad I got to try it, but I'm glad that will almost be done. Then I have my cleanser, which could possibly be done, again, depending on when I film my next update, but I'm thinking 2 more updates for sure, and that would be the Dr. Zenovia Bakuchiol Hydrating Cleanser. I really like this. So I was there last update, now I'm down here. And the reason I'm going through this so quickly is because my packaging is a little bit faulty, so I am like banging it out into my hand, and I do get a good bit of product that way, but I am really slathering it on my face, taking it down my neck a little bit. I don't feel that I'm wasting it, and you guys know how I am about wasting products, how I am about cheating on project pans, so like I don't feel bad about the way I'm using it. Then this is going to take me forever as well, which is fine. My favorite face scrub, the Clinique City Block Purifying Charcoal Clay Mask and Scrub. Their last update here now. Absolutely love. Then this will be done by next month for sure. No matter when I film my update. The Dr. Zenovia Vitamin C Brightening Toner was here last update. Now all the way down here. I've really enjoyed this. But like I mentioned, I have several toners in my collection from a whole bunch of different brands that I want to test out, but that is a really good one. Then we've got some exciting progress here with my serums. I have good progress on all 3 of them. So first is my daytime one, and this is the Skinfood Peach Sake Pore Serum. And the markings, I didn't refresh them. They're a little rubbed off, but I wasn't really able to get it to pump out. So I now have it sitting upside down, and luckily the packaging is totally flat and the lid is large enough so that this does sit upright like this, no problem. It's not leaning over or anything. So I just made a new line marking right here. So I am really hoping this will be done by my next update as well. I have enjoyed it, but it has taken me a while to get through, and I am excited to try something new. Then I've got some decent progress here, which is good. I did much better about using this. The Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. So it was there last update, now down to here. So I will still be working on this for quite a while, which is fine with me. This is an expensive product. And on days where I'm feeling extra dry, or if I'm using my like clarifying pads, I'm using this instead of the Good Genes, the DermaE Ultra Hydrating Dewy Skin Serum. And I was here last update, now I'm down here. I do use 2 pumps whenever I use this. Only 1 with the Sunday Riley and 2 with the Skinfood. But I'm loving this a lot, so I'm totally fine if this kicks around for a while longer. Then for moisturizer, like I told you guys last month, this is going to be the last mini I use in my Aqua Bomb, and then my mini Aqua Bombs, moisture bombs, my mini eye creams, I'm just going to be saving those for travel, because all of those, I think the oldest one maybe have been October of last year, so they're totally fresh enough. And you know, I do want to save some things for travel, but I do still have some categories like mini toners and cleansers where I can still work them down some and still have plenty for travel. But anyway, this is going to be the last mini. I still have a lot in there, which is great because I am going to the beach in a week for about a week. So this mini will be perfect to take with me. And then for nighttime, I have the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I am working on my full size of this. I was working off the lid. It was full to the top, and I'm not sure if you guys can see there, but I am working my way down a little bit. I'm in no rush, and I really take like just off the back of my fingernail. And I usually have enough, especially if I pair it with this serum. Fantastic. Then my eye cream, I use this one a lot more than the other. This is supposed to be for night, but this one is not tinted, so I did end up reaching for this a lot more, but I do want to get back into the other one as well for most days. So this is the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. Again, I have been working off the lid. That's all worked off now, and I am a good ways in there. But again, not in a rush, but I do have 2 full sizes of this and 2 minis still. My favorite eye cream. And then we've got my supposed to be daytime eye cream, because this is tinted, the Replenix Tinted Brightening Eye Cream. I believe I'm seeing through the packaging correctly. This pumps up from the bottom. So we were there last update, now up here. So not bad, but I want to work through this. Then for spot treatment, still working on the Dr. Zenovia 5% benzoyl peroxide acne spot treatment. I really didn't have to use this very much over the past month. I'm still not able to see any visible progress here, so no markings. Then I did forget to show you guys these last month, but I did pop up a picture when I was talking about them. The new clarifying pads I'm going to be using, the Replenix Glycolic Salicylic 5:2, whatever that means, clarifying pads. And I use these at least 3 times, maybe 4, and these come with 60 pads. And I will tell you already, I like the Dr. Zenovia a little bit more because they're textured, and these are just like smooth, but similar like formula so far. But I do think that's a really good product to have. Then we've got my sunscreen. So this is something I'm using for my body that I'm keeping in my purse, and this should be done by next update as well, because again, we'll be going to the beach. The Replenix Hydrating Antioxidant Sunscreen SPF 50+. I told you guys this does not, anywhere that I see, claim to be tinted, but it is. So my packaging is a little grody. So I was up here last update, now all the way down here. And previously I had been using this on Landon and myself, and then really most of this was just me, and I was using something else on him, and we had like a long sleeve shirt on him, so I only had to put it in a couple of places. But this will be done, which is great. I do like it though. And then I don't know what happened, but just today it's just totally falling apart. I don't know what happened. My Black Girl Sunscreen Make It Matte Gel broke. It is broken. I literally have no idea why. I didn't drop it or anything. It just broke, so that's not very good. So I luckily have these little AOA containers. This one is a dropper and this is a pump. This is a very thick consistency, so I think the pump is going to work better. If this for some reason does not work, I'm going to save my little Belif moisturizer jar from my empty of this month and put it in there, and then just dig it out with my fingers. So we will see what packaging works. I don't think the dropper is going to work, but maybe the pump, but we'll see. So I did get most of it in here for now. There's still a little bit left in here. I'm so sad about that packaging, because I think with this formula, squeeze tube does work best. So I was kind of going back and forth between my sunscreens, but now that this happened, I will focus on this one. And then who knows, this one I might end up using this on my body when I go to the beach as well, after I use up this. We'll see, because this one is tinted and it's very moussey. This is the Replenix Tinted Mattifying Face Sunscreen SPF 30. So right there. So we'll see what ends up happening. I do have other sunscreens that I like a little bit better. I've got some more minis from Supergoop that I want to use. I did just repurchase my favorite full size from Resting Beach Face, and I know SPF is only good for a year. So that is why I'm considering using this on my body, especially now that I really do need to focus on this Black Girl sunscreen to use it up because of the packaging problem. Then for body, I did use my scrub 2 times, maybe 3, and this is the Soap and Glory Flake Away Body Polish. Because I don't know when my next update is going to be, I'm gonna say 2 more months and this will be done. I will make myself do it. It's okay. It's okay. It's just there are so many days where, like during my lunch break at work when I'm working from home, I'm using it to take a shower. And then I have used this as a body cream 2 or 3 times. The Replenix glycolic acid 10% resurfacing cream because I told you guys this was too intense on my face, but it does feel super smooth on my arms where I've got my KP, and I'm not going to use it all over my body, just on my arms. And I know it's so hard to tell when it's white on white. A little bit of progress there, but not a ton, but really a little goes a long way with this as well. But I do want to pick up the pace with that. And I have no declutters for this month, which is fine with me. And let's see, what do I think I can have done by my next update? I think the cleansing balm, this serum, I'm hoping this conditioner, I'm thinking the toner for sure, maybe the cleanser, and the sunscreen. So that would be fantastic. I don't know about all of these. I may be getting a little too excited, but all of these are full-size products. When I started putting in so many full sizes into this project, I was like, this is not going to be fun. I'm not going to have enough empties, but you know, I know that there are going to be slow months, and I do still want to put foil samples in here and other minis. Now I'm thinking about it, I do have other foil samples. That's okay. I will save them for next update. But anyway, I'm hoping that these are still interesting for you guys. These updates are the reason that I actually have stuck to a skincare routine and that I actually get excited about these type of products because of these updates, and it's so fun to track progress. So anyway, please let me know if you're still interested in these. I really hope so. But be honest, I can take it. And I would love to hear your thoughts on these products. Please let me know if you have any idea what's going on with my hair or some different things that I should try. Should I do like a clarifying shampoo? Should I do like a deep intensive hair mask all over to try to give my hair some nice hydration and a restart? I don't know. And I really don't use hair products, and I don't use dry shampoo that much that I should be having an issue. I literally have no idea. So I would love any advice you guys have. And this is one of the shortest updates I've had for this project in a while. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.